It's hard to get comfortable in this whole hunk of junk.
And suddenly, he realized how much work he actually has to do.
Yeah.
Ah!
So what we're going to be doing today is, you see these seats we're sitting on right now? We're going to be taking them out.
Yeah, they gotta come out. The back seat has to come out.
Yeah, it has to.
But
And we'll see what junk is left back here, if there is any. Or maybe there's more treasure like the Cracker Jacks box under the seat right now.
hey,
What?
I get to show you something you've never seen before on this.
What?
Yeah, and this is a special fancy seat.
What?
The seat was an option. So there were two kind of back seats on a 61 Corvair.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So there was the standard seat,
Okay.
which is just like this one. And then there was this one. And what's fancy about this one? Alright, you gotta get up. Just like I gotta move.
Hold on. You're about to see. Don't worry.
Alright, you ready?
What?
It folds. It's a folding seat.
Are those like dead wasp nests?
Probably.
Huh. That explains why there's a wasp in here.
But fold flat seat.
Yeah. That's cool. Except
It's,
for all the dirtiness.
Well, I know.
Yeah, that's like the only uncool part.
So if you were just traveling with you and your girlfriend, you throw your suitcases in the back and then go.
Oh, hold on.
Where are you going?
Hold on. Can you pull the seat back up so I can sit down? I need to talk to the viewers.
Oh.
Okay, so listen. You guys gotta hit the subscribe button and hit the like button.
Well, that's a play button.
It's also the subscribe button.
Alright.
Okay.
Come on, we can't spend all day dilly-dallying.
Yeah, we can. Maybe we'll find other treasures. My dad just showed me something. Apparently this is called flex head ratchet because it's really fancy, I guess, and it can do this. So you could like get a screw up here, or not a screw, but
a bolt.
Yeah. Oh wait, no, wrong way.
Put them on. Put it on. Make sure it clicks. There you go.
Okay, what do I gotta do now? Oh my, that. Hold on, can I get out?
Yeah.
Oh, that was disgusting. I saw it for a second and it was.
The dust cloud thing looked like Pigpen for a second.
Oh my goodness. It looks like there's a. Oh! Oh! That is disgusting.
What?
Oh.
It's a rat nest.
Yeah. There's like a seashell in there.
Where?
Like on the corner right there. The white thing.
Mm-hmm.
There's a seashell. Was my grandma a seashell collector like me?
Well, hey, I think this is a tire jack.
What?
Or not the tire jack, yeah.
What?
That's a lug wrench. That's for the spare tire. That's the original lug wrench for this car. That's kind of cool.
Huh. Well, where's the vacuum?
Yeah, definitely gonna need that.
Huh?
So we definitely gonna need that.
Yeah, I'm gonna go secure it right now.
Right there.
Oh, I see.
Ain't no searching. It's right there. Ain't no need to search.
Oh.
Alright.
Well, it's an adventure to get over there.
Wow.
What?
The seat's actually still pretty decent.
Really?
I mean, it's rough, but it's not as bad as I was thinking it was going to be. It's definitely going to need to be reupholstered and everything, but...
It's not as bad.
No.
Did you guys not see that?
Probably not.
Yeah, you might see the big rat nest. I don't know, because I'm not you guys. So. Okay, can I would like to do the honors.
Camera. Go into that camera.
I would like to do the honors.
Well, you can climb in there if you want to do the honors.
I will do the honors, and I will climb in there.
Well, get in, open the door. Open the door and get in.
Oh.
Wait. Before you do anything,
Oh yeah. Definitely this. Definitely the mask.
put that on.
Okay, I'm ready.
Alright. Contact. How about don't vacuum that up? I'll get some gloves and pick that up. That's a pretty solid ball.
Alright, let me turn it up on again, okay?
No, not yet. Wait a second.
Okay.
Hey,
Yeah?
stop leaving my drawers open.
Oh, sorry.
Don't take my shoulder out.
Good. Ah,
I about took my arm out there.
really?
Yeah, it's like, ooh.
He cuts his arm
Don't need
open.
to slice open.
Okay.
Alright, watch that. Well, give me that, so we don't clog up our vacuum.
Oh.
Yummy.
Yummy. That's not yummy.
Well, honestly,
Oh.
that's not as bad as I was thinking it was going to be.
Really?
Still haven't found any critters.
Oh.
They're skeletons. Critter remains. We ain't had to fight nothing yet, so that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Hey, you see them hoses?
Okay, wait. I see a letter in there.
Well, let's see what's in here.
What does it say?
Mead.
Me? I saw more words.
No, that's not what that is. That is some beer.
Oh! What?
Michelob Light, I believe.
Bud Light.
No, that's Michelob.
Oh. Never heard of that one. Wait, I see another thing back there. I think that's like a wrapper or something. Hold on, can you turn it back on again?
Hmm?
Turn it back on.
Let me get the big stuff out first, then I'll kick it on for you.
So another thing back there.
It's a pipe.
There's a pipe? What?
Yeah, that's a pipe. Somebody smoking pipe.
Oh, there is. You gotta keep that as like one of the treasures, like the Cracker Jacks thing.
Yeah, we'll put that there.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. So, on the Corvair, to take the back seat out, you gotta take the bottom out first. I didn't know that. But, quick Google search kind of helps with that. So you take the bottom out, and then you can get access to this bolt, and that bolt, and that bolt. So there's 4 bolts, 2 on each side. I'm hoping we'll find out. I think they're 7/16 is what it was. Alright, be good.
Getting the back part of the back seat out?
Yep.
Okay.
Gotta take the hinges out. And the whole thing comes out as one big piece.
Okay. Are you almost done taking out the hinges?
I think so.
Okay.
Unless there's another couple bolts that are hiding on me.
I don't know. I don't think so though.
We're gonna find out.
Yep.
Ooh.
We got it out.
Ooh. Little by little. Come to me.
By the way, where did you put that other seat part of the seat?
Over there.
Oh my.
Wow. Man, that thing ain't light. I'm glad this is a little car. These seats would be a lot heavier if it wasn't.
Well, that should be a lot lighter.
For a little bit.
Yeah, then we're gonna
Make it heavier because we're going to add a lot more metal in it. Because it's missing a lot of metal. Oh my goodness. Oh, I didn't think that was through. Should have moved the vacuum cleaner.
cardboard back there.
Yeah. Shoo. Man, that passenger side needs floor something bad.
Hmm?
The big old hole in the passenger side. Look at that thing. And suddenly, he realized how much work he actually has to do. Ah!
10 years later. Yay!
Don't even joke about that. Ain't gonna be no 10 years.
I know, it's more like 2.
If we're lucky, it'll be 2. It's probably more like 5. I'm hoping it's done by the time you have your permit.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll be done before then.
I think 20 if it was 10 years from now.
Yeah, I know. Alright, I need a vacuum. Come here. Come here. Whoa, it's on the seat. Whoopsies. Didn't do that. That's better. Yeah.
Almost to know if you're finding a stopping point. Or are you gonna keep going?
No, I guess I should probably stop, huh?
Okay.
Alright. And that's it for today. Back when your kids used to be able to smoke.
What? What is it?
No.
Oh, yeah, my dad is here. This is super awkward, isn't it? Yeah, this is definitely awkward. I'm getting out of here.
What?
Nothing.
Freak you out a little bit?
Yeah. Super awkward, just with the viewers. Hey Dad, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Why did we name our channel Unloved Garage, but we could have named it Uncool Garage?
What? Uncool.
Because that's uncool.
This is very unloved.
Yeah, you're right. I think Unloved was a better name.
I think this unloved car,
We should have named our channel Unloved Car.
she's seen better days.
Yeah, she does.
So, we're gonna fix that though,
Yeah,
I mean,
we're gonna fix it.
little by little.
Hold on, guys. This might take a second. So, oh, it's spam. Okay. Never mind about me saying this might take a second. Well, actually, it did take 1 second. So I was right.
You wanna do some work? What are we doing?
It wasn't too long ago since we took out the light and literally took all the carpet from the roof. Well, it was kind of like carpet. It's basically carpet, but on the roof of the car. I remember when we took out the front seats. And I also remember when we showed you the crazy radio called the AM radio. That wasn't very long ago. That was like about a few episodes ago. Also remember when we found the oil can, baseball, and Cracker Jack.